Hello everyone, welcome on a new tutorial on Spark AR. This time we're gonna see how to add a music or sound effects to your project. So it's really easy, let's go ahead and do it. I want to add a speaker, then I want you to go on Assets, down here, and add a Playback audio controller. Then go on Add Assets and import from AR library. Now, as you can see, you have this section here, sound effects or music. Let's go and download a few sounds. You can preview them. Alright. Then let's go to music and let's download something from here. Pretty cool. I like it. And so now we have to choose a clip we like. We click on Playback controller. And up on the right here on audio we go and I want to add the last one I've downloaded. Then you want to go on the speaker and you want to go on audio and audio playback controller. Now you want to click again on audio playback controller and click on play here. This little patch we need is just display, a screen tap, and a switch you will get just by dragging the screen tap into play. As you can see, you got a switch. So now you click up here on your camera preview and click on simulate touch. You tap and the song or effect starts. Then as you can see, we're not able to play it anymore. So what you want to do is or loop it by activating this little tab here, and so you just press once and when the clip is ended it's just going to loop until you press again, or you can leave the loop unchecked and click on reset, and from the switch output you want a pulse that you will get by just combining them, connecting them, and now you should have something that restarts every time you press the screen. Why this? Maybe you just want a song, or I don't know, let's say you want something like, let's add the face tracker with particles, and let's click on visible. Let's do it, bring, make it better. Then you click on visible and you want those particles to be visible when you press the screen, and you got it with your sound, right? So of course this can be like little surprising sound, so you can go and like have fun with the material. Let's already give it, I don't know, some star, since we have, and it's already pretty fun. And maybe you want those stars, like star colors. That's pretty fun. Of course you can go anytime on audio playback controller and change your clip inside here. So let's say we want the little track I've downloaded. Because why it's not working? Let's try to reset it. Alright. You just have to reset it, restart. It's really cool song. You know, maybe you want to use it under effect for some reason, like previewing. I don't know, like just like this, you had extra space, extra depth to your effect. Alright, and yeah, that's it for this first part. Let's delete this audio file. Let's delete just the audio file. Let's keep the stars for a second. I want to go on Safari just because I use this, and I want to, because you need an audio file in M4A mono and I guess 44 and 100 Hz. Let's go and check it out. So you want to go on, let's say, MP3 to M4A converter. You want to try this, I guess, audioonlineconvert.com. Yeah, this is the one I like because you can change the sample rate, you can put it into mono, I guess. Let's choose a file. I have a tiny bit I made the other day. Yeah. I should be able, yeah, change audio channels, mono, you need, yeah, 4400 Hz, and you can trim your audio if you want, you can normalize it. It means it turns up the volume as maximum as possible, but it can distort a little bit, so you should just don't do it. Just if the audio volume is too low, and you can go start conversion. Once you have it, you can download it, or just download straight for you, and you have to do just the same. Take your file and drag it into the patch assets. Here you have it. Go back on the audio playback controller, and on audio add your beat, restart. As I click, my clip should start. Let's turn up the volume a little. Of course, you have the speaker, you can control the volume. Too much. You have to restart it every time, but maybe you want something in the background and just something playing hard. That's up to you. And that's it. Little cool effect. Of course, you can do what you want. Add, let's say, face mesh that also appears with the material, and let's say click on face mesh, click on visible, and do the same. Restart, should be clean, and then when you click, you get your effect with your little inserts here. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and you can do really cool things with it, and show me what you do. I'm really curious. Have a great one, guys. Keep it up and keep creating, keep making art. It's free and it's what we love. Have fun, guys.